Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you and explain the details regarding the errors during the imported geometry. So I have an example here when error mistakes appear on the imported geometry. So what I can do, I can simply drag and drop the data into Creo and the system will recognize the disassembly, for example. You are able to use the template and system will reuse your template and define the relation and necessary parameters. For now, I do not want to also to generate log file, so we can simply confirm OK and wait during the migration. When Creo will finalize the migration, you can see sometimes that system show you the broken geometry. And then over here is the question, what's happened? Why is there in the red color? Many times you can see the model notification over here on the bottom of the view, and simply you can see that you do not have specified the mask properties or some problem with the import validation feature. So you can simply click and then the system will show you some icons and you can use the right mouse button and so on. But I like to go better or quicker for me is that I'm directly jump to the problematic object. And when I select right mouse button over here, you have an imported validation. Simple, sometimes it's good enough if you only disable import validation because you know that, for example, it's a problem with the surface model, but it's only that you have experiences. So I can simply select the disable import validation and this object is never ever show it as the problematic. Yeah, but if I would like to see the report, I can enable back. Yeah, so enable import validation and we can see the still problem. And if you would like to investigate what is the problem, you can again select the right mouse button, import validation and click report. And the system will show me quickly, your part is the problematic because it's a solidification failure. And now what you can do is simple, you can jump and use the import data doctor, and when you repair this geometry, the system will remove the information and you do not have any more problematic feature. And what is necessary to do? If you update your geometry, then the object will be as the solid and you have to select again right mouse button and validation report and click the update. Yep, so for now I have seen that this component is really complicated to repair. How to repair the model, you can simply learn from my different tutorials, but I can see here that is really problematic features. And so we need, for example, 10-15 minutes to repair these components. And last but not least, I like to say that how you can recognize the problematic geometry and what is wrong. So first of all, remove the color, view and appearance manager and clear all appearances. So remove the colors and appearances. Now we can see that object is really not colored with different colors and you are able to better recognize what is wrong. And also you are able to specify the view preferences. If you will select file option, you can specify the options. And in the system appearance, best practices, if you select the dark theme, everything will be dark. But also in the graphics, I'm always changing the quilt to yellow. And then if you will change the visualization for the hidden line or wireframe, you can simply recognize the problematic surfaces. So all these yellow surfaces we will create again by import data doctor. Then in the assembly mode, you are able to go back and specify the object that we don't want to have this import validation report, and you will update and everything will be green. I'm going to show you quickly that how to repair geometry. So I really would like to simplify this shape of the thread. So I am selecting surfaces and delete all necessary surfaces. And then quickly to create the boundary blend between two edges. And so we have simplified the thread here. And at the end, you have to select geometry check and select the problematic geometry and specify it and repair the geometry. So step by step, as you can see, I have recognized the problematic part based on the geometry check. The system always shows me what is necessary to delete or repair or update. And at the end, I was able to finish the import data doctor, and object from the surface model is now solid because it's not based on the blue color but the gray. In today's tutorial, you have seen how you can recognize and disable importing validation, and it can work with your assembly as before. Thank you for a request. Stay tuned and bye-bye. Vladimir.